Did you know that natural, eco-friendly latex is still the preferred rubber to use for many mold-making projects? The promotion of synthetic rubbers such as silicone and polyurethane over recent years has obscured the fact that latex in many cases is still the best and most economic rubber to use for casting many products. So in this video we'll show you 5 incredibly simple ways to make molds of 5 different, yet very popular products. Item number 1. 3D plaster figurines. For most people, a 3D object would be one of the most difficult items to make due to the possible presence of undercuts or other obstacles on the original master. These can cause problems while removing a master from a solid silicone block mold. However, it is possible with latex to simply brush on 5 or more coats onto a plaster master. You then allow 1 hour for the latex to dry for each coat. When a suitable thickness has been achieved, remove the finished latex mold from the master. Plaster painting studios or parties for children, if run from homes, are very profitable enterprises. Item number 2. Rubber toys. Latex is a natural choice in the manufacture of rubber toys, balls and balloons, due to its lower cost, strength, flexibility and bouncing abilities. Material cost, which is a big factor with toys, is low due to the simple manufacturing facilities required and the low basic cost of natural latex. Latex collection costs are low, due to the sap from trees used in the production of liquid latex, being mainly grown in third world countries. Toys also can provide a much longer life expectancy than synthetic rubbers, due to greater UV resistance. Item number 3. Garden decorative items. Latex has long been the staple rubber used for molds in the manufacture of garden dwarfs, gnomes and similar items. This is due to the ease of manufacture, lower cost, and extremely long life. The inherent strength of latex enables it to be tugged off concrete items on a regular basis, without the tearing that would be associated with other rubbers. Another great asset is the fidelity of detail that is capable of being reproduced with latex rubber. The only major problem has been the necessity to enclose the latex mold with a backup mold to enable accurate overall shape reproduction. The latex only requires a thickness of 5 to 10 mm for the average piece but lacks the ability to retain a finished casting shape, without the support of a plaster or similar backup mold. Item number 4. Masks. One of the most profitable products to make are masks, in particular seasonal masks such as Halloween. Another category that sells year-round is the monster mask. A skill with sculpting clay is an advantage, but there are enough videos on YouTube to provide inspiration for an endless variety of new designs. Due to the unique nature of masks, quite high price margins are possible. Item number 5. Garden fountains. The cost of making the large-sized molds required in the production of fountains and statuary would be prohibitive if using silicone or polyurethane was used for small-run production. For this reason, latex is almost universally used by small manufacturers in this industry. New molds can be manufactured for low cost, as part of the manufacturing cycle, while waiting for concrete to harden, for removal from the mold. For more information go to our blog www.aldaxcreative.com.